Hi friends, welcome to Meena's channel. Today I am here with a burning question of this week, that is increasing list of suicides day by day. Whether people are not able to manage their stress levels. So if you feel that you are in depression or in stress, kindly have a look at this video. I did this video as a part of my social responsibility. I have mentioned here a few celebrities who have committed suicide, as everyone knows them commonly. Yes, I agree, life is not so easy to lead. It is full of problems. The problems may be the study pressure, career issues, work stress, relationship problems, or might be the financial crisis. These kind of thoughts and problems might be pressure cooking in your mind, friends. Even though, never quit your life. Do you know one thing, friends? Problems are like passing clouds. They won't stay for a long time. As we all know, lock is not made without a key. In the same way, there won't be a problem without a solution. So friends, instead of worrying about the problem, try to find a solution and explore the ways to find the solution. Think and scan about yourself and come up with a list of strengths. Do not wait for an opportunity. You create your own opportunity based on your strengths. Do not take hasty decisions when you are hurt or in anger. Kindly overcome that weak point. While you are in depression or in sad mode, think about your family, friends, and the happiest moments you spent so far, so that you won't get weird thoughts. Life is a wonderful gift by God. Do not end it in the middle, as we don't know whether we will get a second chance to lead this life. Live your life to its full and be happy and make your family happier. Dying needs more courage, and if you got that thought of dying, use that courage to live. You may think that it is easy to give advice, and I think that it is not that much hard to live. So live happily. Have healthy thoughts, be happy, and be a centenarian. Expecting everyone to live a long, healthier life. Thank you for watching and have a great day.